Here we are starting with the semantics of propositional logic. The first topic of semantics is truth assignment. What is truth assignment? Let P be a simple sentence. Then we denote assigning the truth value to the simple sentence by these symbols P superscript I. That may be true, which is also sometimes written as 1, or false, also sometimes written as 0. Let us assume that we have 3 propositional logic simple sentences, and under one condition of the world they are having these truth value assignments 1, 0, 1. Under a different world condition they are having 0, 0, 0. So these are assigning truth values to the simple sentences. But once the simple sentences have their values assigned, how do we know what is the value of the sentences that are made up of the simple sentences? Like this is a compound sentence which is made up of these simple sentences. That process is called evaluation. But we cannot do evaluation until and unless we know the meaning of those symbols. And assigning a meaning to those symbols is the semantics, or assigning a meaning. Semantics means meaning. So how do we assign meaning to the symbols? We have already seen during our BTech classes. This is actually a two-valued logic, that is Boolean logic, true and false. Propositional logic is two-valued, either true or false. So truth tables help us give these symbols or connectives a meaning. How? The first connective is the negation or the not operator. So you can see the truth table. The next is the conjunction or the AND operator. AND is only true when both P and Q are true. And then there is the disjunction operator. As you can see, disjunction means or, actually inclusive or, not exclusive or, inclusive or. So it is true for 0, 1 and 1, 0 also, and of course for both P and Q true, it should be true. Otherwise it is false. Next we come to the truth table of implication. This is one truth table which you might not have encountered in your college days. This implication means if then. So let me construct a sentence like, easier for you to understand. If you get a grade A, I will give you 100 rupees. So here P is you get grade A, and Q is I give you 100 rupees. Let's start with this both being true. Both being true means that is so here I have made a promise, right? That if you get a grade A, I will give you 100 rupees. If I keep my promise, the entire statement will be true. If I keep my promise. So here you get a grade A you actually got a grade A, and I also gave you 100 rupees, so I kept my promise, so the statement will be true. You got a grade A, but I did not give you 100 rupees, so I did not keep my promise, so the statement will be false. Now I add two more lines. The thing here is, in the first case, you did not get a grade A. Since you did not get a grade A, whether I gave you 100 rupees or whether I didn't, I haven't broken my promise. Is that right? Since you did not, the entire condition was based on you getting the grade A. Since you did not get grade A, whether I have given you 100 rupees or I have not, I did not break my promise. So that way, this implication is not false. And if it is not false, in a two-valued logic, if it is not false, then it must be true. So this explains the truth table for implication. Let's come to the truth table for biconditional. Biconditional, the other name for biconditional is equivalence. It means P and Q are equivalent sentences. And this statement is true when equivalent means either this statement is true when P and Q are both true, or P and Q are both false. If P and Q are equivalent sentences, where this statement is true, means under the condition that P and Q are both true and P and Q are both false. So only then two sentences can be told to be equivalent, right? Because when one of the sentences being true will imply the other being true also, and one of the sentences being false means the other sentence being false also. That is what equivalent means. So both true, this is true. Both false, this is true. All other conditions false. So I will write in short, when this is the condition. So these are the truth tables of implication and biconditional or equivalence. These are the truth tables which you may not have encountered in your BTech classes, but you have just studied it now. I will just bring to your notice one thing. I will give you one statement, one compound sentence. Not P or Q. Can you compute not P and Q for these PQs? Of course we can. Not P or Q is true. Not P or Q is false, not P or Q not P or Q, not P or Q, this is true, right? Because not P becomes true. Can you see the last two columns? What can you comment about these last two columns? When this statement is true, this is also true. When this statement is false, this statement is also false. This statement true, this statement true. This statement true, this statement true. That is, these two statements are true and are both true and false under the same truth assignments at the same time, right? So if I say this statement as A, and this as B, can I say A and B are equivalent statements? Can I say that? Yes, because when A is true, we are seeing that B is true. So A and B are both true. And when A is false, then B is also false. So A and B are both false together. And there are no conditions. As you can see here, there are no conditions when one statement is true and the other is false, or one statement is false then the other is true. They are having totally similar truth values. So I can safely say that P implies Q and not P or Q are equivalent statements. Thank you.